With regards to the restitution, is 3 years enough time to repay the restitution?
I believe it is, Judge. He's part of the NFL settlement.
Okay.
And it looks like he's in line to receive a settlement.
Court is calling 2022 CR 6424. State, oh, he needs to be in the middle, counsel. If y'all just slide this, oh, and counsel, you're over here. Court is calling 2022 CR 6424, State of Texas versus Naran Alexander. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Nicole Thornborough for the state.
Defense.
Joy Contreras for the defense.
And are you Mr. Alexander?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
We did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Alexander, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are done.
Mr. Alexander, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Do you understand you're being charged with an insurance fraud? I believe this is up to $30,000 as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Alexander, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. There's a $2,000 fine, no application for deferred adjudication. I'm sorry, just one moment. When mom calls, you need to answer.
That's right.
All right, according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is set to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's to be restitution of $13,631.41 to Cigna, CIGNA. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
That's our understanding.
State?
Yes.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
None apply. No.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargaining agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years and there be 180 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the plea?
State offer states exhibit 1 and its attachments.
No objection.
Mr. Alexander, I'm showing you what's titled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence. The court will sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. No.
All right, so with regards to the restitution, is 3 years enough time to repay the restitution?
I believe it is, Judge. He's part of the NFL settlement.
Okay.
And it looks like he's in line to receive a settlement within the 3 years.
All right, so,
Yeah, but if there's a problem, we'll return. I don't
Right.
think they will do that.
all right, the court will sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. Based upon what I'm reading, are you currently working or no?
Disability.
Okay. Proof of disability within 30 days. Restitution to Cigna for $13,631.41. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. 180 hours of community service restitution. I know you're receiving disability. If he can't perform community service hours because of his disability, he'll need to provide proof of that to probation. Otherwise, he can pay for the community service hours.
He actually does a lot of community outreach that I guess this is not strenuous. So
Okay,
maybe he can arrange to have that applied.
all right, probation. He's allowed to do community outreach for his community service. You may need to make sure that you tell them exactly what that is. All right. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Your Honor, are you waiving 40 for the COVID vaccine?
No, he can just do the 180 hours.
Okay, do you want field visit?
We'll do field visits 1 time per month for 2 months. If there are no issues, then there's no further need for field visits.
That's all.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, did you impose a fine?
Thank you. $2,000 fine. And that will be probated. Is there anything else?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, anything you need from the court to be successful? Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to consult with an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. So what team did you play for?
So Denver Broncos in Houston.
All right. Do you get upset when you have fans watching and they think they could have called better plays or done something differently?
Of course.
Oh, okay, just curious. But that's not for me, that's for everybody else. So when I complain about it, it's okay. All right, well, good luck to you. Thanks for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, probation will go over conditions, then he's excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
The courtroom quiets as Naran Alexander, a name recognized by football fans, steps forward to face Judge Stephanie Boyd. He's charged with insurance fraud, a state jail felony, and has agreed to a plea bargain, 1 year in a state jail facility, suspended for 3 years of community supervision. The deal includes a $2,000 fine and over $13,600 in restitution to the insurance company, Cigna. From the bench, Judge Boyd is the picture of focused authority. She meticulously walks Alexander through his waiver of rights, ensuring his plea is knowing and voluntary. The state presents its evidence, and the court finds him guilty. This is the moment where most defendants breathe a sigh of relief, expecting the judge to simply sign off on the agreement. But Judge Boyd isn't just a rubber stamp. She pauses, looking at the financial terms. 3 years is enough time to repay the restitution, she asks the defense attorney, a hint of skepticism in her voice. The attorney explains that Alexander is part of an NFL settlement and expects a payment, which should cover it. Judge Boyd nods, but her next statement sends a clear warning shot. She formally suspends the 1-year sentence, imposing the 3 years of probation, but then adds layers of strict oversight, regular reporting, random drug testing, UES, and 180 hours of community service. When the defense mentions Alexander's disability, Judge Boyd is ready with a solution, not an excuse. If you can't perform community service, provide proof to probation. Otherwise, you can pay for the hours, she states firmly, leaving no room for ambiguity. She even ensures a $2,000 fine is probated, adding to the weight of his supervision. As she concludes, she asks if he has a question. He mentions his NFL past, and she allows a brief, human moment before refocusing on the legal gravity. The final summary is clear. Judge Stephanie Boyd granted the probation, but with a stern warning that echoes in the silent courtroom. This wasn't a victory. It was a last chance, hanging by a thread of strict compliance. One misstep, one unpaid dime, one failed test, and Judge Boyd's suspended prison sentence will become his new reality. The decision changed everything, putting the power and the pressure squarely on the defendant's shoulders.